Despite unveiling the Redmi K20 series less than 6 months ago, Xiaomi is already gearing up to launch the Redmi K30 series. The successor to the Redmi K20 lineup recently got a confirmed launch date in China. The highly anticipated Redmi K30 series is arriving on December 10th. A poster confirming the launch date was recently shared on Redmi's general manager Liu Weibing's Weibo account. The poster does not just confirm the launch date but also confirms two details about the Redmi K30 series. The image also details dual front camera housed in a punch-hole notch. We now know that at least one Redmi K30 model will feature 5G connectivity. In addition to the leak, famous Xiaomi tipster has shared a live image of the device he claims is the Redmi K30. In the tweet, the purported Redmi K30 is compared with the recently launched Honor V30, and the similarity of the two smartphones is uncanny, except for the placement of punch-hole dual camera setup on the front. The Redmi K30 will apparently feature the dual camera front on its left side and Honor V30 sports it on the right. The frame of the both phone is identical. As for the specifications, the Redmi K30 series could also arrive in only 5G models. The standard K30 model could use the long-rumored Snapdragon 700 series 5G chipset, possibly the Snapdragon 735 5G. While the Pro version of the K30 will likely be powered by a Snapdragon 855 Plus SoC with a Snapdragon X55 or X50 5G modem. Some rumors also suggest that the Redmi K30 Pro will pack the next generation Snapdragon 865 SoC, which Qualcomm will unveil in the day building up to the Redmi K30's release. However, if this is the case, we are unlikely to see the Redmi K30 Pro until Q1 2020, as the Titanium M6 5G will be the first smartphone to use this chipset. The Redmi K30 series is also expected to offer a quad camera setup on the back with Sony's latest 60MP IMX686 camera sensor at the helm. Another rumor that has gained strength in the past few days is the addition of an Oled display with a 120Hz refresh rate on at least one of the Redmi K30 models. Xiaomi may also opt for a side-mounted fingerprint scanner rather than in-display one. So guys, are you excited for the Redmi K30 series? Do let me know that in the comments down below. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.